Good morning Los Angeles, I am Joey Hansen. We have a major car accident in 1st Street, nobody is killed, some are injured. Stay tuned for more news. Breaking news, people in downtown Los Angeles are on the ground dead. They are also corpses at store entrances, parks, beaches, and the edges of creeks or rivers. The suspect is not been identified at this point. Oh, the emergency alert system is going off. Stay tuned, folks.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Los Angeles Police Department. At 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, many reports of dead corpses on roads, sidewalks, parks, parking lots and store entrances. The suspect is unknown at this time. If you see the suspect, call 911 immediately. Do not approach the suspect as you get yourself killed. Stay tuned for more information.
That's correct. 100% correct.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Residents of Los Angeles, go home and lock all of your doors and windows immediately. The suspect has been identified as Mioba. The description of her is brown hair, black eyes, 4 feet tall, and known weight. She was seen wearing a female Japanese sailor suit with a pink bow tie all covered in blood with black shoes and pink and black striped socks. She also had black cat ears and a cat tail. She also wearing a pink bow with a cat bell on it. Do not approach her, as she is armed and extremely dangerous. If she breaks into your home, defend yourself to shoot her. If you see her, run away as fast as you can, and dial 911 immediately.
Us? Who said anything about us? Only I can.
Welcome back to Los Angeles News. We have some breaking news. The suspect, who is now identified as Mioba, is breaking into people's homes, killing them inside and stealing money. This girl is extremely dangerous. Now we are going on live with Catherine. Catherine, are you there?
Yes, I'm at the scene where there are so many dead corpses were spotted by the police, and they identified Mioba. Like you said, this girl is very armed and dangerous, because she is carrying a knife covered with blood and she also has a shotgun. This is Catherine signing off.
Wait, what? She has a blooded knife and a shotgun. Damn, she's sick in the head right now. Stay tuned for more news. This is Joey Hansen, signing off.
Oh my God.
What? What is it?
I heard Mioba is causing chaos in Los Angeles and we need to find a way to get rid of her once for all.
Yeah, I know shit. I lost my fucking job because of that little bitch.
Cecile, watch you language. Please.
I'm sorry, but it's true.
And my sister Razizi has been traumatized because of that shit and I'm pissed at Mioba for all that bullshit. I want to get my hands on her and beat the living shit out of her. So fucking bad.
Mioba is a bitch-ass motherfucker. She traumatized me, Silver.
I know.
HMMMMM. Oh, I think I got it. We need to use our powers to kill Mioba. Silver and Razizi, after I distract her, You will use your defense powers to blast her ass.
Yes, we will do it, like, ASAP.
Well, what the hell are we waiting for? Let's get the bitch.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Los Angeles Police Department and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. At around 12:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the child is missing from her home. The child's name is Elizabeth Hansen. She is 12 years old, white female, blonde hair, 5 feet and 2 inches tall. Weighs 117 pounds. She was last seen wearing a purple sweatshirt, blue jeans, and pink Crocs sandals. She was last seen leaving her father's house. Mioba had abducted her, and she is driving the 2017 Ford Escape and the license plate is 0156. If you see Elizabeth Hansen, or Mioba or the vehicle, call 911 immediately. We also received plans from the Winks Ferry team and the Knights team that they are going to kill Mioba. Stay tuned for more information.
Nine one one. What's your emergency?
I think I see the child in Mioba.
Elizabeth Hansen?
Yes.
Okay, where is the location of her?
She is heading to the McDonald's restaurant in Broadway Avenue near 2nd Street.
Okay, we are sending the police to the location of the child.
This is the Los Angeles Police. Get out of the building now and put your hands above your head, now.
You're okay, Elizabeth. Come here. You're safe with us. We're taking you back to your father's house.
Oh my, what is all this? What the hell is going on here, meow?
You know what's going on.
Ha, you think your puny weapons can stop me? Ha, think again, meow.
Who the hell are you?
Ha, you already know who I am. I'm Mioba.
What makes you kidnap an innocent 12-year-old girl?
Because the whole world thinks I'm cringy, and now everyone hates me for this, and now I'm here to accept my revenge. I'm here to kill everyone and take over the world.
You're coming with us, and I mean it.
I got a shotgun too.
Put the weapon down, or you're in hot water.
No, never.
Hide behind somewhere, now. Now's my chance.
Ow! It tickles.
What the fuck? Holy shit.
You don't know that, do you? You see, officer, I'm immortal. Because the power of those worthless souls. Now, time to say goodbye to this building to blow up.
Take cover, Beat! Take cover!